How to delete Form 2441 in TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you no longer need Form 2441, which is child and dependent care expenses, then you can easily remove it from TurboTax. All you want to do is sign into your TurboTax account. Now open or continue your return. Then select Federal. Now select Deductions and Credits. In the Your Tax Breaks box, you want to select Edit or Add next to Dependent Care Credit. Now answer No on the next screen. This should delete the credit from your tax break section. Now you'll need to delete the 2441. For that, select Tax Tools from the menu followed by Tools. Now select Delete a Form in the pop-up. Scroll down on the list of forms and select Delete next to Form 2441. Choose Delete Selected Form to confirm. You should get Form Successfully Deleted prompt. Now select Continue. Back at the Review Form List screen, scroll down to make sure Form 2441 no longer appears in the list. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.